My brake system warning light is coming on. It's this one here, the one that's got the exclamation mark. Now, that light shouldn't come on like that. Now that light has three indications. The first indication is that the emergency brake is on, which it isn't right now. Second is the fluid level is low, and I've checked that several times, and that's up right to the top. And the third is if you have an anti-lock braking system fault. But if you have an anti-lock braking system fault, that light will come on also, so we can eliminate that problem. So what I have to check, first I'm going to check my emergency brake connector to see if it is shorted out or something and causing it to bring that light on. Now you have to crawl down underneath the steering wheel, underneath the dash, and find this is the emergency brake switch right here. And to check to see if it's shorted out or something, we're just going to unplug it. There's a little tab. There's a little tab right there you got to push to get that out. Now let me check to see if my light's out. Oh, that didn't do it. So we'll leave that unplugged. Now I have to check my fluid again. Okay, let's check the fluid. Let's see, that's as full as you can get. It's right up to the top there. So the only thing that I can think of is that the sensor in here must be gone. So we're going to disconnect the sensor. And the first thing is I want to do is I want to unclip this, and just what you got to do, take your thumbnail and pull that red tab down, and then push on the clip, and you should come right out. There you go. So that has got to come out of there, and I got to replace it with a new one. Okay, there's a clip on that sensor, and it's hard to see, but I got it right there in the mirror. You can see that little dot in the center of where the sensor slides in. Well, that's the clip. You got to push up on that. Now I'm going to use a punch, but you can use anything. You can probably use a nail to push that up and slide that out. Okay, now let's see. It's right there, that little dot. Can you see that? I got my punch on that. I'm going to have to remove my mirror so I can pull it out. Okay, keep shoving up on that clip. There, she's loose. Okay, there's that just slides right out. That's all there is to it. Okay, there's the old one. And here's the new one. Genuine Mopar. Okay, now let's put this back in. The clip, you see the clip there, that would face down. There. Clipped in. Now we'll take, if I can find my cable. Okay, there. Got it on there, and that just slides in. Then shove that little, you see that little red tab? Shove that up. There, she's in. Now remember, I got the emergency brake unplugged, and I replaced that sensor, so let's see if that light stays out. And remember, it takes a few seconds for it to do its reading. That's the seatbelt one. Here I got a tire that's a little slack. There. Brake system warning light is out. Just to double check, I'm going to plug back in my emergency brake. Good. There, she's not coming on. Let me try my emergency brake. There, came on and off. So that's all it was brake fluid level sensor.